Accessing variables or functions of an object. If you have a class object and you want to access its variables or functions, it's really easy to do so. First, open brackets. As you can see, this is our previous code. So to access class objects, variables, or functions, type the object name the class name, such as john.name. But I want to print now, so it will be john.name. We actually use the dot to access the variables or functions. Now try that on terminal. Cool, printed John well. Watch out now. I will print age, ID number, and output function. Nice, all of them work well. Thanks for watching.